She deserves everything that she gets and no less. You the whole show. You wanna roll. You can't help but glow. Glow. The lights is low. Music so. You can't help but glow.
Hey beauties, welcome to Beauty by Joydan Danae. If you're just now coming back, I appreciate you for coming back. If you're here for the first time, thank you for visiting. Today I am going to apply a frontal wig. It was a 16-inch. We colored it the last video that I had up here, and now we're about to install it. So as you guys can see, I am cutting a hole by the ears. I learned this as like a really cute and quick trick to help the lace stay down on the sides. So yeah, I'm just spraying the got to be glued spray, and as I'm spraying it, I'm using the blow dryer, and yeah. So well, this is my sister, guys. You guys are going to see her a lot on this channel, Lala. So she's not really a client, so I just let her, she can help me out. So I just be having her hold the blow dryer while I do my thing. So what you all see me doing now is, as Lala is blow drying the front of the cap down, I am just going across with needle and thread to kind of just secure the back, because once I cut the cap off and cut underneath the ears, it's going to be just like excess, you know, cap that you really don't need. So let's just go ahead and get rid of it, and a good way to keep the cap down in the back is to just sew it down. So all you guys see me doing now is just cutting the cap off. We're just going around and cutting the cap off. Yep, that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'd like to add right here that Lala really gets on my nerve with her facial expressions. If you guys didn't catch that, she just really blows me. I really wanted to use the powder foundation, but clearly it was not her color. And I would always suggest powder, but we had to go with the liquid foundation that I do have in her color. So, you know, just note that you would much rather want to use powder, but I mean, it's okay. You got to get it how you live. So I'm just going over this with like a razor and like these little pair of Chinese scissors that I got, just to kind of like you know, blend it out a little more, kind of into her skin, to get rid of like the excess scalp part. But you know, for the most part, the wig is going to cover that part, so it really doesn't matter. Okay, so this wig was kind of big for her head, So what I had to do was I had to pull the wig down some in the back, and right now you're gonna see me sewing the wig onto her braids underneath and through the cap. I'm just sewing a layer down. Normally I would sew it down from the back of the wig, but I had to sew it down from the middle just so her wig won't fit big. I want it to be as close as to her head as possible. Okay guys, so what you see me doing now is simply just defining her baby hairs more. I kind of pre-plucked it before I put it on her head, but still this wig is from Love Me Hair, and I liked it. It's thick, so you got a lot of plucking to do, but besides that, I mean, I kind of like when I pluck it myself anyway. And what y'all just saw me do was just really put makeup in her lace. I don't know why I did that when I did that, because I probably should have did it before I put it up there. But sometimes I'll be thinking, and that's just being honest with y'all. Okay, so continuing on, just hot combing. I spritzed it first. This is so it can flatten down. So I'm just hot combing. I'm defining her part. Yeah, so just keep looking. What you guys see me doing now is wiping alcohol around her forehead to get off the excess makeup, because we're about to glue it down and we want it to stick. I'm gonna do 2 layers of glue. I put the first layer down and then I blow it, and then I'm gonna put another layer down, and then I'm gonna blow it again, and I did each side one at a time. So now what you guys see me doing is just cutting around her lace, cutting the lace off. Now we're about to get it popping. See what's popping with these baby hairs. I'm using the freeze spray to secure the wig. Just that extra added security that I'm gonna need. I took some extra baby hair off, and as you can see, I'm applying some mousse. You know, we're putting the baby hairs in there now. It's getting real. I'm gonna, you know, get my baby hairs to where I want them to be, and then I'm gonna tie it down and wrap it up. Okay, we're almost through the process. Now I'm just taking my flat iron, going through here, throwing in some little cute bouncy curls. So we're almost done, ladies and gentlemen. Now is the time we've all been waiting for. I know especially her. Look at her eyes. Why is her eyes closed? Get out of here. She's like, Jesus, I pray. Now look. Yes. Got her right. Period, sis. Period. She was not expecting that. Look. Now look at her. Can't tell her nothing. Yeah, period. Look, she is too excited. Yes, this is why I love doing Beauty by Joydan today. This is why I love making people feel like a new woman. This is me all the way. All you see me doing right now is just tightening up that part. So honestly, I'm just happy she's happy with the outcome. Really, it was her birthday, and this was the first time like she really tried a frontal wig and like a color on top of that. So I'm just so happy with the color. Look at that color. Yes, it really came out really beautiful. So happy birthday, Lala. And thank you guys for tuning in to another video of Beauty by Joydan today.